Hi, good day, sir and madam. My name is Princess Diana Ruma Agkawili from the Bubog Grande, San Agustin, Isabela, Philippines. Married with two children, aged 14 years old and 4 years old. I am the eldest in the family. I have three sisters and one brother. My religion is a Pentecost. Sir and Madam, I worked before as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years and 6 months way back 2015 to 2017. I served 4 persons in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. The children aged 6 and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, and take care of the children, and also send and fetch in their school. I work also here in Philippines for 2 years. I serve 5 in the family, 2 adults and 3 children, age 19, 16, and 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, iron the clothes, clean washing the clothes, and take care of the children. Sir, Madam, I also know how to take care of a newborn baby by my own experience, by changing the diaper, changing the clothes, prepare the bottle of milk, and sterilize the bottle. Sir and Madam, I am a hardworking person and happy person. Hope to hire me for my better future of my kids. So please see you soon in please see you soon. Bye.